What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a special one. I'm going to be showing you how to get free Amazon gift card codes in 2023. This is super easy. Anyone can do this. It takes just a few minutes and you're going to be saving yourself tons of money. This will give you a Amazon code that you can redeem in the gift card page, and it's going to credit your Amazon account a balance to spend. So let me get into the tutorial. I'm going to go ahead over to my desk and follow along. Let's get you some free Amazon money. Now, if you don't know who I am, I'm Code Guru, and I'm always finding ways to save you money. And today's video, as per the title, is Amazon gift card codes. I managed to find a easy way to get $250 for Amazon for completely free. These are digital gift card codes, the same as if you purchase this code direct from Amazon. You just enter it into your account and it's going to give you a balance to spend on the Amazon website or app. So let me stop blabbering on and show you where you can go and get your free Amazon gift card codes. Open up the internet, guys. I'm using an iPhone, but you can do it on your computer, Android, whatever. It's easier on your phone though. And open up the internet and go to giftcardhero.net. I'll also put the website scrolling along here to make it easier for you. When you reach the website, guys, you need to press this menu button, then go to search and type in Amazon to find this gift card page. Now there is a coupon page here, but we're not interested in that for this video. We need to scroll down and find this gift card code page. Press it. Now there is a full guide on the website. However, obviously I'm talking through it, so we won't be reading that. We gotta click this green button here for free Amazon gift cards. Wait for the page to load up. Now we're gonna get this screen. Scroll down. This is where you can choose your gift card value. You can get $25, $100, or $250. Now, I say dollars, guys, but this will be in your local currency when you redeem it on the app. So, I'm in the US, so I'm going to get dollars, but if you're in the UK, for example, you're going to get Great British Pounds, and it just automatically converts. It's finding a unused code in the database. Okay, so now you can see it's found us a code, but we need to unlock it. This protects the codes, basically stops robots from stealing them. So let's click this. Okay, and basically, as mentioned, this is a verification, and this verifies you are not a robot. So how do we complete this? To get the code, we need to complete 2 of the free survey offers. They're completely free. They take a couple of minutes. I know it's annoying, but hey, it's well worth it when we get the code. So let's complete 2 of these. I'm going to click this top one, which is a survey. Complete that. I'm going to enter in my email address in a second. Let's open up a second one as well. I'm just doing this to speed it up, guys. Okay, so let me just pause the video because I'm going to enter in my email address and complete the steps fully. And yeah, I'll be back in a second. Promise, guys, I returned. You're either happy or sad about that, but hey, I've returned anyway. So you know I said I completed 2 of these offers, so you gotta make sure you do it fully, because as you can read at the bottom, you will receive your Amazon codes once completed. So if you've done it correctly, guys, when you return to this page, there you go. So it's now given me my full code. Now these codes can only be used once. So this code will be invalid by the time you're watching this video, because I'm going to order some stuff in a second, but you have to follow the steps, guys. Go to giftcardhero.net, and that is how you get your free Amazon gift card codes. As you saw, guys, that is ever so easy. It takes just a few minutes. If you need any help, leave a comment below. Always willing to help you guys out. Please hit the thumbs up button if I helped you get your free Amazon gift cards, and I'll see you next time.